What is an internet troll? A mythical creature that lives under bridges. Someone who tries to make peace on social media. Someone who intentionally provokes others online. The correct option is C. An internet troll is someone who intentionally provokes others online. It is someone who likes to make people upset on the internet by saying mean or annoying things. They do it just for fun or to get attention. Imagine someone named John who posts a comment on a social media picture of cute puppies saying, "Those dogs are so ugly, I can't believe anyone would like them." John doesn't really think the puppies are ugly, but he's just trying to upset people for fun. That's what we'd call an internet troll. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Go to our website, PetraYvonneEnglish.com, for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. Take care and see you in the next video.